This one is going to be over, I believe.
You know, I'm not dignified that with a hands up because I'm not bring myself down to your level. There's something you can't buy in that class, and you don't got none of that.
I'm going to make you my girlfriend.
Ces boxeurs poids lourds rusés envers Mike Tyson ont tenté de manquer de respect en dépassant leurs limites. Maintenant, avec leurs paroles sournoises et leur comportement rusé, de la façon dont ces adversaires qui ont mis Mike Tyson en colère ont vécu les conséquences de ce qu'ils ont fait sur le ring, vous allez être témoin.
I'm the best ever. I'm the most brutal and vicious and most ruthless champion there's ever been. There's no one can stop me.
Tous les amateurs français de boxe, préparez-vous. Ici, c'est le Kampf Universum. Au début des années 2000, face à Mike Tyson, est apparu Lou Savares, le nom puissant surprise de l'âge d'or de la boxe. Savares, qui attirait l'attention par sa stature longue et massive, était monté sur le ring avec de nombreuses légendes de la boxe et avait également livré une performance impressionnante contre Buster Douglas, le premier à avoir battu Tyson.
Snap on it there. Big right hand. Douglas is down. Buster. Almost ready to go. The referee can stop. Yes, it is. Excuse me. Douglas can't get up.
Ces événements ont provoqué de vives discussions parmi les amateurs de boxe concernant la manière dont le combat allait se terminer. Savares croyait qu'il mettrait facilement Tyson hors de combat parce qu'il était beaucoup plus grand et plus massif que lui. Mais en face de lui se tenait la légende Iron Mike. Tyson, à cause de l'attitude arrogante de Savares, dès que le combat a commencé, a fait tomber le géant au sol en seulement 10 secondes.
Oh, there is the first one. He hasn't. There it is. Absolutely destroyed by the first punch that Tyson landed high on the head. Bang,
Top
down
of the
he
head,
went.
right on the corner. And that's a very dangerous.
That's it again. And you said then, Frank, on the corner. He's flat on his back. Punch.
That was quicker than he put Julius Francis down.
Yeah. Oh, he's got to make. Oh, he's got to.
It's all over. It's all over.
Again.
He's stopping it.
He's finished. It's finished. It's watch. This is the best angle, in fact, I think, for it.
This is a bit late.
This was
That
the
is a good
follow-up.
uppercut.
Yeah. And he was
That
hurt.
uppercut actually missed. But that punch called him there. The body punch called him there. Now that Tyson's still
He's knocked the referee down.
He's knocked the referee down. He's still trying to throw punches.
There. He's trying to call you out, Frank. He's having a go at you now. Bring Lewis on, he's saying. Bring Lewis on. That's very interesting. Oh, Lou Savares is in the corner. The fight is over.
The crowd do not like that. They've come to see what this. Tyson wants to fight on.
Tyson was so intense.
Iron Mike Tyson.
I was going to rip his heart out. I'm the best ever. I'm the most brutal and vicious and most ruthless champion there's ever been. There's no one can stop me. Lynx is a conqueror. No, I'm Alexander. He's no Alexander. I'm the best ever. There's never been anybody as ruthless. There's no one that can match me. My style is impetuous. My defense is impregnable. And I'm just ferocious. I want your heart. I want to eat his children. Praise be to Allah.
En 1990, Donovan Razor Rudock, avec sa grande taille et sa carrure massive, était considéré comme le boxeur le plus intimidant de la catégorie poids lourd de l'époque. Mais un jour, cette star qui semait la peur sur le ring a, de manière inattendue, signé une trahison qui a ébranlé la confiance et a révélé son côté sombre. En avançant vers le sommet, ce rusé Rudock, se croyant intouchable et invincible, en défiant Iron Mike Tyson, était excessivement confiant de pouvoir faire tomber l'homme le plus dur de la planète.
You know, I'm not dignified that with a hands up because I'm not bring myself down to your level. There's something you can't buy in that class, and you don't got none of that.
Tout le monde attendait avec curiosité ce grand affrontement, et Rudock avait stupéfié tout le monde en répondant très durement à Tyson dès le début.
Stumble after the punch.
Uppercut by
Another was throwing an uppercut from outside. He's throwing from way.
Minister lets them know.
There's another one.
A good shot by Seems to care. A hard body punch by Tyson.
Mais Iron Mike, en révélant sur le ring sa véritable puissance et sa détermination, a commencé à écraser son adversaire avec une énergie pratiquement inarrêtable.
Down goes one.
round. His legs are tangled up there. And down he goes afterwards. He'll have to warn him, and then he'll have to take up a round.
Now he's measuring Ruddock out.
And this body attack.
Round two.
Ruddock just went back.
Oh.
Now he's trying to get his upper
Michael Dokes. Oh, right by
on his own.
Crowd erupts.
He just doesn't quite get there.
There's a left by Ruddock. A left by Tyson, and down goes Ruddock.
You okay? Come to me.
The bell is sounded to end the third.
Oh, wrong.
Relentless attack. Oh, a big left by. Oh, they hit after the bell.
Warning. Oh.
Corner Don King.
Or his honesty. Looking for that uppercut. He's looking for that one thing that Tyson tiring out here. That Mike Tyson works. Look at that uppercut. Then he comes back
To continue into round 6 now, and Tyson, right? But he's
getting chopped down little by.
Finalement, Tyson a montré à son adversaire arrogant qui était le roi des poids lourds. Et tout comme les autres boxeurs, ayant fait preuve de manque de respect, il a envoyé Ruddock les rejoindre.
This kind of barrage. Oh, what a right by Tyson! Oh, the left. Now the right combination. Still steps in. Is it over? It's over. It's over.
Mike Tyson, en s'élevant vers le sommet de la boxe, a fait le premier pas de sa légende face au champion WBC Trevor Berbick. Berbick était un boxeur qui, en ignorant la santé de ses adversaires, n'hésitait absolument pas à frapper sournoisement à l'arrière de la tête.
Berbick is saying the bell should have sounded. Look at this.
De plus, il était également mentionné comme l'un des boxeurs ayant une part dans l'adieu au ring du légendaire Muhammad Ali et ayant affecté négativement sa santé.
He's a solid puncher trying to level him. Always could take a punch, but now he's in trouble. Yep, he looks like he's in trouble.
Toutes ces raisons avaient conduit le jeune Mike Tyson à être sur le ring face à Berbick, aussi dur et inarrêtable qu'un lion prédateur attrapant sa proie.
Then he could be in the hunt. Well, what is up to both wearing black, Berbick with the left hook, Tyson. What's Berbick's trying? He's abandoning doing what he normally does best, that
Ce combat était appelé « fin inévitable » pour une raison évidente. Lorsque le combat a commencé, Tyson a commencé en montrant à Berbick à quel point il était fort afin de prendre immédiatement le contrôle du ring.
Right hand, Tyson, and a left behind. Big right hand, Tyson. Now Tyson's punches even sound different than most heavyweights.
Berbick, comme pour montrer à Tyson qu'il n'était pas affecté par ses coups, a affiché une attitude audacieuse et a fait un geste moqueur envers l'homme le plus dur de la planète. Mais Berbick n'était même pas conscient qu'avec ce geste sarcastique, il préparait sa propre fin.
Trevor Berbick, we should point out, has been down twice. There's another big shot by Tyson. Berbick in a heap of trouble. Down he goes. A short, powerful.
Au deuxième round, Tyson mettait KO ce gigantesque adversaire arrogant, excessivement sûr de lui et devenait ainsi le plus jeune champion du monde poids de lourd.
That was a right to the body and an uppercut to the head, and Berbick is down. This one is going to be over, I believe. It's over. That's all in boxing.